them off guard. Coming from that win against us, grabe yung pinanalo nila kasi yun. So, medyo siguro nag-relax sila ng konti dahil grabe yung losing streak na they broke, di ba? So, but yun ang sinabi ko sa kami naman, galing rin kami sa talo sa ano. So, sila galing sa panalo, kami galing sa talo. So, sinabi ko lang sa mga players that, you know, kailangan we have to bounce back. Not with the win, but with the way we play. Diba? You put in the effort and then yung resulta na lang nun siguro, hopefully, is manalo tayo. But today, they really gave their all in effort.